What's up guys? In this video I am going to be sharing with you how to make $30,000 per month with YouTube. Guys, I am going to be sharing with you one secret tactic that everybody is hiding, but that can really boost up, that can really give a YouTube channel overnight success. That is the ultimate key. So stay with me till the end so you are not gonna to miss that tactic. That single hack can make you can give you an overnight success, guys, because that's going to be really huge. Okay, but before we jump into the video, if you want to make $100 every single day and want to know more secret tactics, then check out the link in the description, because I have shared a lot of tactics for absolutely free on how to make $100, and this is the exact blueprint on how I made my first $100 per day online with 100% free traffic method. And also, if you are in the niche of making money online and entrepreneurship related niche, then be sure to hit the subscribe button for daily videos on this channel. Now what I'm going to be share with you, it has boosted up the channels. This single tactic has given the channels over thousands and 100,000 subscribers just within a single month. So what I'm going to be talk about, it can really give you an overnight success. Okay, so what I'm going to share with you, what I've told you is how you can make $1,000 every single day. Okay, so $1,000, that means $30,000 per month. So how are we going to do this? Basically what we are going to do, we are not going to create any YouTube videos. We are going to use the other guys YouTube videos. Okay, so it's not possible in a very short time to earn so much money with just one YouTube channel. So what we are going to do, we are not going to just create one YouTube channel, we are not going to create two YouTube channel, we can even create the 4 or 5 YouTube channel, because we do not need to create the videos, we will use the other guys videos. Okay, so look at this over here. Well, as you can see over here, these videos just 13 hours ago, we all know that the subscribers, if you are going to have 100,000 subscribers, then probably you can get 10,000 views. This is the kind of engagement we generally get. Okay, and look at this, 106,000 113,000 subscribers and 106,000 views within just 13 hours ago. Okay, and look at this, 130,000 subscribers. This one is not that much effective. And literally look at this, this is too much old. And over here you can see 113,000 subscribers and 129,000 views. So this is the kind of engagement we want. Look at this, guys, 832,000 subscribers but 4.6 million views within just 1 week. So what these channels are doing, that just because of that, these guys are making thousands and thousands of dollars. Look at this. Okay, so over here what we are going to do, I'm going to share with you this secret. Look at this, just 2,000 subscribers and it is ranking on this page, and over here 11,000 views just within 12 hours ago. Okay, and most of the subscribers have been gotten, about maybe 300 subscribers have been gotten just from this video, guys. Okay, so now what is the tactic that I am going to share with you, literally that can give you overnight success. So what you need to do, you first need to go to the Google Trends, and over here look at this, we are on the Google Trend. We do not need to search for anything over here, we need to find the trending topics. Look at this, recently trending, Serena Williams is at the top, Elon Musk, Ryan Reynolds, okay, Tiger Woods. So when I found this, I searched for the Serena Williams, and look at this over here. Over here she has gotten tons and tons of views, and literally the competition is zero because nobody is doing the proper keyword research. Okay, so this is one of the ultimate tactic, and look at this, 1.8 million searches per month. Okay, and further, if we are going to search the Tiger Woods, what are the results? So what we need to do, we need to search for the leverage topics, we need to find the trending topics, and you need to create 4 channels, 5 channels literally. Let it just load. Look at this, 15 hours ago and 136,000 views. 14 hours ago, this one is not that much trending, but literally look at this, again 2 days ago, which one is this, 3 weeks ago, 109,000 subscribers just with 109,000 views just with 26,000 subscribers. So this is what we want literally. So we need to leverage the trending topic. We all know that during the crypto, when the crypto was in complete trend, there were tons and tons of channels that has built 100,000 subscribers within just a single month, just because of the power. Okay, so we are going to use these Google Trends, and look at this over here, Serena Williams. So we are going to create separate channels for that. And what we are going to do, we are not going to create our own videos, we are going to use these videos. We are going to click on the Creative Commons, and all these videos are going to be literally look at this, not every video of your channel will grow. Look at this, 3 weeks I got 20,000 views with just 12,000 subscribers. And look at this, all of these. So what we are going to do, we are going to use these videos. Okay, so you can simply just go on the Google, when you are going to search, you can find tons and tons of better videos. Okay, so you need to do the proper keyword research. What you can do, you need to let's say for example, you are going to select this video. I'm just taking an example, and you just need to search on the Google, for example, download YouTube video, and it will come automatically. Download YouTube video, look at this, automatically it will come. So what you need to do, let me just remove this, and you need to use these tags of the complete there are two ways you can use the tags. Either to go to this video and install the extension called vidIQ or TubeBuddy, and then you will see the tags over here. You can just copy those tags if the tags are available over there. If the tags are not available over there, you can literally, look at this, when I'm going to search for Tiger Woods, look at this, you can use all these tags. Okay, so this is the ultimate tactic. And also fill the tags with and also put the tags in the description as well. Also put the tags in the title as well. So these are only using the Tiger Woods title. So you can also use the Tiger Woods, what are the things that are in trending. Look at this, BMW championship, best shots. So some of these might be in trending. You need to find something which is of kind of a long title. Okay, long title, for example, you may find a 4+ words title. So when you are going to do that, most of the people are not even using that proper title. So you need to use the proper title. You need to use all of the 4 words in your title, and you will be start jumping. And because this is a trending topic, you will get much more views than the average views. And once you have gotten about 1,000 subscribers, just with 1,000 subscribers, after that your channel will start blowing. Literally it takes 4 months, 5 months, or sometimes even 1 year to get the first 1,000 subscribers. But once you have gotten those 1,000 subscribers, you can easily get about 10,000, 20,000 subscribers just within 2-3 months. Okay, so this is the tactic we are going to follow. And once you have built a channel, what you can do, and how are you going to make $30,000? Literally what I will say, at least create 3 channels. So what I will say, at least create 3 channels. Let's say now you have created 3 channels. 1, it will be 2, and it will be 3. So all of these things should be on the trending topics, and pick all of the 3 different niches, because if you are going to pick the news niche, for example, it is also kind of news niche. Okay, Tiger Woods, Serena Williams. Okay, basically you can say the sports news. So let's say you are going to create this channel with the sports news. So you can create this kind of comedy channel. Just be in the same niche. If you are going to post videos in the sports niche, then keep on posting videos in the sports niche. Otherwise you are going to lose lots and lots of subscribers. So you also need to remember this. If you are going to post about the sports niche, then be sure to post about that as well, about that only. Okay, and if you are going to post about the comedy, keep posting videos about the comedy only. Otherwise you will lose your audience. So in the 3rd channel, you can use any other channel. And once you are going to follow these tactics, what I will suggest you, just for the first, in the first week, post 10+ videos. What you need to do, you just simply need to download these videos by the Google, and simply just upload these videos. So literally it is going to take 10 minutes to upload 10 videos, and you need to find the clickbaity titles. You can also look at this, there are some of the titles which are very clickbaity. Might be you are going to see some of the titles which are getting tons and tons of clicks. Look at this, all of these titles are really haven't even designed. They are just picking the by default, they are picking the default thumbnail. So this is what you need to avoid over here. If you are going to put a great thumbnail, then everybody will be amazed. For example, you can write something like for example, whatever it is about, for example, the Tiger Wood, you can create some kind of picture, and you can write something insane. Okay, maybe it can be of something like for example, you can write something like what happened with Tiger Woods, and thereafter you can put a big question mark. So that is kind of clickbaity titles. Okay, and you can then show something different in that video. Okay, you need to find that content that is going to go viral, and here are the topics. You just need to find the video on the YouTube and upload it back on the over here. So this is the ultimate key. I have shown you how to find the video as well, how to find the topic as well, and how you can find the how you can create the clickbaity titles. Just just put the curiosity. Okay, just put the curiosity. That how he did that. For example, Tiger Woods hit 5 shots with just single hit. Maybe that is going to show a lot of curiosity. Basically, that I'm saying that is kind of it is having no head, no legs, but really people are going to see that how he did that. You need to think like something differently, but do not do something like the people are going to leave within 1 minute. You need to also gain the watch time. So also be sure to add something related to the video. So when you are going to do this, and with the time you will be keep on getting that. Your goal with each channel will be 10,000 views, $10,000 with each of the channel. And once you are going to have a channel, you can monetize it with affiliate marketing. You can monetize it with AdSense, and there are tons and tons of other views like sponsorship as well. So these are the common ways you can use. You just need to add some kind of annotation, and making about $10,000. That means let's say if you are even going to get and literally guys, we all know that with the trending topic we are going to get tons and tons of views. Okay, so basically and also the advertiser pay a lot of money for the trending topic, and literally in the new session every time there is something going trending. So this is the ultimate way, and let me know in the comment box if you have any query. Let me know in the comment box. Further, if you want to know more secrets of growing a YouTube channel, growing Instagram account, then check out this free training in the link is in the description, and after this training you can easily make $100. Guys, this is the exact blueprint with which I made my first $100 a day online. Okay, and after, if you have any query after this training, just put that in the comment box and I will surely reply, or just reply me to the same email from which I have sent you this training, and I will surely reply to you. Okay, and I will see you in the next training.